Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn more about this powerful strategy. First of all, I'd like to wish everyone a happy new year, and this year is going to be a blessing because we are going to cash out well. Okay, so I'm bringing out this strategy. It's a brand new strategy. You will not see this strategy anywhere. It's a brand new strategy I just came up with, and it's fire. So I had to share it with you guys so you guys can use it and milk the market and make money for yourself. So this strategy works basically on crash 1000, boom 1000, and crash 500. Don't try it with boom 500. I've not tried it yet on boom 500, so I don't know if it works. The last I tried, it didn't really give me what I was looking for, so I had to avoid it. So use it on boom, use it on crash 500, crash 1000, and boom 1000. So this is crash 1000, and as you can see, this is the settings, and as you can see how my chart looks like, and this is how the strategy works. So first of all, I'll like to ask you to like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you've not subscribed to the channel before, if this is your first time, I ask you to subscribe to the channel, share the video so someone else somewhere can learn from this strategy, because it's a bomb. It's one of a kind. It's one of the best you'll ever see anywhere. So like I always say, I like doing my strategy live, so you will see how it works. Though I actually entered the trade late because all the settings and indicators were already in place, so I just had to initiate a little sell for you to see how this strategy works, because it's probably 10 to 20 candlestick strategy. Okay, so I think I missed like from here to here, from here to here, I think I missed probably like 1 2 3 4 5 6 candlesticks. So I was still confident to still initiate a trade, because I'm supposed to pick 20 candlesticks with this strategy. So I've missed 6 already, so probably I'll still go on hold to probably take another maybe 10 or more. But to be on the safer side, I will always advise you, if you pick up to 10 candlesticks, it's advisable that you close the trade with profit and wait for the conditions to be in place so you can pick more candlesticks. This strategy, it's amazing. It's reliable and it's profitable. Okay, whenever I share a strategy with you guys here, it's always the best. I don't just come up with something that doesn't work and share it with you guys, because I know it will actually make you lose money. So I don't want anybody to lose money. That's why I always bring the best of the best strategy here. So now this is how this strategy works. Okay, but before we go into that, okay, I would like you to this is a new year, and I wouldn't like you to be struggling. So if you've been struggling with your account, you've not been making profits, this year we are going to be winning, because I'm offering you guys an account management. Okay, if you need someone to manage your accounts, you can probably check on the link on the description page. Just click on the link and you see my WhatsApp number, and we can talk directly. If you want account management, I can do that for you. If you want a mentor, someone who can teach you so that you can really understand how this market works, okay, you can also chat me up, and we can go into some mentorship classes. Like, it's a new year and we are having the new batch of students already, so feel free to chat me up. Let's talk about that. And also, we have a VIP group where we drop signals, profitable signals every single day, 5 6 signals every day, and it's profitable, and my VIPs are always winning. So don't fail to involve yourself in any of this. So now don't forget that you have to watch this video to the end for you to see the settings of this strategy. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you how this strategy works. Then at the end of that, I will share the settings with you guys. So don't fail to watch the video to the end so you can see how we had all this set up here. Okay, so now before you can actually initiate this trade, like I said, it works on boom 1000, crash 1000, and crash 500. Okay, so now this is how the strategy works. First of all, the first thing you have to look out for, it's on your third indicator level here. Okay, as you can see on the Ichimoku indicator chart, at the second indicator level, now indicator window 2, that's what I mean, where you have the blue, the blue and the red indicator here. So on boom, okay, you know, we are trading against the spike. Whenever you are trading against the spike, you have to, sell, pick few candlesticks, and you close the trade. So on boom, you have to sell for it to trade against the spike. On crash, you have to buy for it to trade against the spike. So we are selling on boom 1000. As you can see, we've been picking 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, like I said, we're supposed to pick 20 candlesticks with this strategy, but I had to enter this trade because I wanted to show you guys how the strategy works, because I like doing my strategy live. I didn't just want to explain for you. I wanted to see me do it live so you can actually do it your own self. We were supposed to enter this trade at this level. So by now we're supposed to pick more than 16 to 17 candlesticks. This is a 10 to 20 candlestick strategy. So I always advise to be on the safer side. Just pick 10 candlesticks, okay? Especially for those who have a smaller account, just pick 10 candlesticks and you leave the trade. But this is a 10 to 26 candlestick trade. Okay, so I missed the trade before I actually got to start doing this setup and everything. I noticed that we've missed the entry already. The entry was supposed to be from this level, but since I missed the entry already, I still had to initiate the trade. Why? Because I'm confident, because I'm supposed to pick a 20 candlestick with this strategy, but I've lost like 6 candlesticks already. I've missed like 6 or 7 or 8 candlesticks already, but I still initiate the trade because I have to pick like 20 candlesticks. But if you are opening from this position, I advise you just take 10. Okay, it's more it's less risky, okay, than holding for 20 candlesticks. So first of all, this is how this strategy works. Okay, let's go back to crash 1000. Okay, go back to crash 1000. Now this is how it works here. First of all, you look on your indicator window 2. Okay, the first thing you look out for on crash, it's when you see the blue and red indicator. That's the Ichimoku indicator on the level 20. Okay, the moment you find this on the level 20, okay, you know that that's the first step for you to be ready that your strategy is going to happen anytime soon. So now the first step is you have to be sure, okay, you wait, and before this happens there have to be a spike, okay, on crash. A spike has to happen for this indicator to be at this place, that's the price to be at this place. So now the first thing is, when a spike takes you down to this level that you have the indicator here on level 20, you look on your indicator window 1. You have to be sure that your black indicator you're having here is on a level 30, okay, in between level 13 and level 20. But so far it's on level 30, it's okay for you to go ahead and do what you want to do. Now the third thing is you go to your main chart. Okay, you have to wait till when you have this moving average cross over the candlesticks like this. As you can see that the candlesticks here crosses over the moving average, and the moving average has to cross over the candlestick to the upper side. The moment you find that happening, the moment you see your candlestick crossing the moving average like this way, you initiate your trade. You pick 10 to 20 candlesticks, then you close the trade. I came after but I finished setting this indicator. I noticed that we've already missed the entry, so I couldn't initiate the trading. As you can see, we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. This is 23 candlesticks. So by now we might have closed the market because we've gotten the candlesticks we were hoping for. So at this point anything can happen, because you can see here it is going to the overbought level already, so there must be a spike at any time here. Okay, so by then you might have gotten your candlesticks. You close the trade, you wait for the indicators to give you the signals again to be in place for you to actually initiate your trade again. So now what I said is the first thing you look out for, on crash. Okay, it's when you find your Ichimoku indicator, that's it, on your indicator window 2. You find the red and blue indicator here on the level 20. Then you come to your indicator window 1. You find your black indicator on level 30. Okay, let me explain why we have two levels here, level 30 and level 20. If you find the black indicator at on level 20, that's a proper signal. Okay, that's a proper signal that it can hold for a long time. But if you see it on a level 30, I'll advise you just take probably 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. Okay, so the first thing you look out for is you look on your indicator window 2. Then once you find your Ichimoku indicator on the level 20, you now wait for your indicator on indicator window 1 to be on a level 30 or level 20, in between level 30 and level 20. Then the final thing will now be when you find your candlestick here crossing over the moving average to the upside like this. Then you open your position and you pick 10 to 20 candlesticks, and you close the trade. Like I said, pick 10 candlesticks, especially for those who have a smaller account. You're trying to build your accounts. Don't be greedy, don't stay for too long. Pick just 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. But if you have a bigger account that you can take more risks, you can hold for as long as 20 candlesticks. Okay, just 20 candlesticks. Then you close the trade. You wait for the positions to be in place again. You wait for the indicators to give you the green light to go ahead for you to initiate your trade again. You can do this as many times as you can in a day, be 10, 12 times. So far you find the indicators and the settings in place, and it gives you the go ahead to do whatever you want to do. You can initiate the trade and you buy. For this is on crash 1000. And let's go back to boom 1000. Okay, this is boom 1000. You can see our trade is still selling. Okay, but by now we might have closed the trade because we've gotten more than 20 candlesticks. I just had to open this trade here, though I got in late. We're supposed to open the trade at this point. The moment we saw the candlestick crossing over at the moving average, that is when we would have opened the trade. But since I wanted to do something live to show I like doing my in my videos live to show you how this settings and the strategy works. So I had to open a position because I'm sure I have to pick up the 20 candlesticks. I was not scared, so I open it so I can show you how it works. But this is where we're supposed to make our entry. So now on boom, how do you sell on boom? What you do now on boom is you first of all look on your indicator window 2. It's the same thing but on the reverse side. So now you look on your indicator window 2. We might have a spike anytime from now because we've gotten more than 20 candlesticks, and as you can see, the indicators are now heading to the oversold level. So anything can happen here, but normally we might have closed our trade by this time because we've gotten enough more than 20 candlesticks. So at this time we are at risk because a spike might happen. So but once you have your 20 candlesticks, you close your trade. So now on boom, this is when you open your positions on boom and start selling. First of all, you wait for your Ichimoku indicator, that's on your indicator window 2. You wait for it to be on the level 9, level 80, in between level 80 and level 100. Okay, the moment you find it on level 80, even if it's not up to 90 or 100, the moment you find it on level 80, you look on your indicator window 1 and you find your black indicator here on the level 82. Okay, now you wait on your main chart for the candlestick to cross over the moving average to the downside. Like you're seeing here, the moving average has to cross the candlestick too, and the candlestick has to cross below the moving average. The moment that happens, you open your positions, you take 20 candlesticks and you close the trade. This is for 10 to 20 candlesticks, but if you have a smaller account, like I said earlier, just hold for 10 candlesticks. But if you have a big account that you can take much risks, you can hold for 20 candlesticks. So this is the strategy, guys. It's very simple but very reliable and powerful. Okay, it's a new strategy. You can never see it anywhere. I always bring the best of best to you guys here so you can use and make money for yourself. This strategy is a bomb. And there's one thing I always like advising you guys before you initiate any trade, okay, be it boom or crash. Okay, now if you are trading against the spike and you are trying to sell, okay, now before you start selling and be on the more safer side, you have to go to a higher time frame to see if the trend is really favoring you. If you want to sell, you have to be sure that the trend is on a downtrend. Okay, it will favor you more if the trend is on a downtrend, guys. So now, before you start doing this, go to a higher time frame like the 1 hour time frame or maybe a daily time frame. You check out the market. That's why you need to understand price action. Like I always say in my video, price action is the best you can always do to yourself. So once you understand price action, you can now identify if the market is on an uptrend or a downtrend. Since you are trying to sell on boom here, the price has to be on a downtrend. So if you find the price on a downtrend, it's safer for you to start doing it, because most of the time you might go and try the strategy and it's not working. You'll be like, the strategy is fake, it's not working, but not knowing that you made a mistake by trying to sell when the market is on an uptrend. You don't do that. So before the market and the strategy and everything can work properly well for you, you have to follow the trend. Before you start selling, make sure that the price is on a downtrend. Okay, before you buy, make sure the price is on uptrend. Okay, guys, so this is how the strategy works. As you can see, we've gotten more than 20 candlesticks here and it's still selling, but normally we would have closed the trade by now. Okay, so let me explain it once again. Now on boom, the first thing you want to do before you start selling on boom is you wait for this indicator on your indicator window 2 to be at the level 80. Then on your indicator window 1, it has to be on level 82. Then you now come to your main chart. You wait for the crossover here between the candlesticks and the moving average. And once they cross each other like this, as you are seeing here, you open your positions, you start selling, you pick 10 to 20 candlesticks. Okay, guys, 10 to 20 candlesticks. Don't stay longer than that. Pick 10 or candlesticks, or you pick 20. 10 for those with smaller accounts, 20 for those who have bigger account that can risk more. So guys, this is how it works. It works perfectly fine. It's a bomb. It's the best strategy you can ever find this year. It's a new strategy I just came up with, guys. It's very, very reliable and profitable. Now let's go back to Crash 1000 for the last explanation. Sorry guys, that was a mixed up here. I had a call. So now, like I was saying, the first thing you do when you want to buy on Crash, okay, you want to buy on Crash, you wait for the indicator here on your indicator window 2 to be on level 20, okay, to be on level 20, and on your indicator window 1, you wait for it to be on a level 30 or level 30. In between 30 and 20, it's fine. If it's on level 20, it's more better, but if it's on 30, it's fine for you to initiate your trade. Then you now come to your main chart. You wait for a crossover here between the candlesticks and the moving average. Once you have the crossover here like this, okay, you see the candlesticks and the moving average crossing each other to the upside, then you open your position, you pick 10 to 20 candlesticks and you close the trade. That's how it works, guys. You can see we are milking the market at this point. Okay, milking the market. Pick 10 candlesticks, 10 to 20 candlesticks at most. Then you close the trade with profit. You wait for the setting to be in place again. You wait for the indicators to give you the signals for you to initiate your trade again. You can do that as many times as you can. So guys, that's how it works. It works perfectly fine. It's a bomb and it's one of the best strategy you can ever find. So now let me share the settings of the video for you guys. Okay, so the settings for this strategy, as you can see, we have moving average, we have the latest trend index, and we have the Ichimoku. So the first thing you want to do here is you go to your main chart. Okay, you go here, you click here, and then you now click on the main chart here. You add your moving average, which has a period of 8, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. The styles is 3 pixel. I'm using red, and after that you click on done. So the second indicator here will be on indicator window 1, which is the relative strength index, has a period of 8, applied to typical price. Style is 3 pixel. I'm using black. Levels here are level 80, 20, and level 30. And you click on done. So the third indicator here will be on your indicator window 2. You now go to your main chart again. You click on your main chart, then you click on relative strength index. The second one now has the same period of 8, apply to typical price. Style is 1 pixel. You change it to white. Now the levels here are level 80, 20, and 0, 0. After that, you click on done. The last indicator will be on your indicator window 2, which is the Ichimoku, which the Tekensan is 1, Kujunsin is 1, Sekuspan B is 4, fill. You have to make sure you fill this place. The Tekensan here on the style is 4 pixel, I'm using blue. Kujunsin is 4 pixel, I'm using red. Upcoming has to be white. Okay, the upcoming has to be white, the downcoming has to be white also. Chicken span then is blue. Now you can use any color of your choice. Okay, you can use any color of your choice. It must not be the same color, but this place you have the white, the upcoming and the downcoming must be white, but the rest you can use any other color you wish, but it has to be a visible color that you can see properly on the chart. Then now click on done. That's the strategy, and that's the settings for the strategy. So guys, please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed before. Share the video with your friends, okay guys, and come back here to leave some sweet comments. Let's know how the strategy went out for you. So guys, thanks for watching the video. And like I said earlier, if you need someone to manage your account, chat me up. Okay, you need someone to teach you all the things you need to know about forex, so you can actually make money for yourself this year. We are here to teach you. And you also need a VIP group where you can get signals for your daily trading. Chat us also. We do all that, and we promise you that you won't regret working with us, because this year we want everybody to make money. So thanks for watching the video. See you some other time. Bye.